The ECZWXZ 5-in-1 portable air conditioner offers powerful 14,000 BTU cooling that effortlessly handles spaces up to 700 square feet. I have provided the link to this air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. With fast cooling capabilities and precise temperature control ranging from 61 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, this unit is built for comfort and performance in any room, from large bedrooms to offices or even basements. Whether you're dealing with peak summer heat or persistent humidity, it delivers reliable results. What sets the ECZWXZ portable AC apart is its intelligent Wi-Fi and app connectivity. You can remotely control the temperature, set schedules, and even monitor energy use from your phone, allowing you to walk into a pre-cooled room every time. The 5-in-1 functionality includes not only air conditioning but also a fan, dehumidifier, sleep mode, and a 24-hour programmable timer, all designed to cater to your seasonal needs. Whether it's reducing moisture, circulating air quietly, or managing your comfort while you sleep, this smart AC does it all with ease. Installation is simple thanks to the included window kit and exhaust hose, and the unit glides easily between rooms with built-in wheels and handles. The eco-friendly R32 refrigerant helps reduce environmental impact while cutting down your energy bills by up to 30%. Plus, the ultra-quiet operation, running at under 36 dB, means restful nights and focused workdays without distractions. With drainage-free cooling, you never have to worry about emptying water manually, even in humid conditions. And with a front-facing LED display and full-featured remote control, convenience is always at your fingertips. Backed by a 2-year return policy and lifetime support, the ECZWXZ portable AC is a reliable and intelligent solution for anyone looking to beat the heat in a smarter way.